We've taken a 4-mile trip today on the bikes to La Mata, not just to show you good people what the market's like, but Yvonne wants to buy a new coat. But welcome to the channel, we're between the lakes with Mike and Yvonne.
Yeah, and it's Wednesday, it's the 10th of November, and it's a bit chilly today. It's only 16 degrees, but it is only 10:30 in the morning, so we're hoping it's going to get warmer, aren't we?
It will get warmer. It's a bit cloudy at the moment.
A bit overcast.
Yeah, but I think we should go and see if we can get yourself a coat and see if we can do a bit of bartering.
Yeah, you got a coat, didn't you?
I got a coat the other day, I paid €25 for it. I got him down from €60 to €25.
And who did you buy that from?
I bought that from, with the traders, one of the Moroccan traders that comes round.
Come round the market.
The big nice fella with a big smile. You'll know what I mean, those people that have been before.
Shows you've got to barter with these people.
Yeah, he looked after me, didn't he?
Yeah.
Right, come on, let's track on and go to the market.
Okay. 250 stalls apparently at this market.
250, that's a lot, isn't it?
And it's open every Wednesday morning from 8 till 1.
And it takes up 2 or 3 streets, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look at this new building they're doing here, on the corner.
Yeah, they were building this last time we came.
Yeah, last time we came we had a meal at this restaurant here. And for those of you that remember that, it was about this time last year, I think, maybe a bit longer. But we sat at the end here, it was very nice, wasn't it, with a 3-course
Yeah, really good value.
meal of the day.
Honey kebab.
Honey kebab, that's the one. Yeah, there it is. But this new block of this apartment block, holiday block, or what it is, but it's looking very nice. Still working on it, so they've been working on it for quite a while. But what a beautiful place that's going to be to look out onto the sea.
Yeah.
Fantastic spot. Okay, so we're coming out of the square. I'm going to turn left onto the main road. We'll come to the market. Yeah, it's a nice place, La Mata, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very popular. Some nice bars and restaurants. Let's cross over here. And it's looking quite busy on market days. A lot of people heading towards the streets where the market is. This is where it starts. Yeah, you want a coat, don't you, as opposed to a body warmer. That's a body warmer, isn't it? What are the belts?
You can smell that leather.
Yeah, you can smell the leather.
They are real leather.
That is real leather. Very good selection of bags, wallets, belts.
You don't need a belt for your trousers though. You don't have that problem of them falling down, do you?
No, they're a bit too tight to fall down at the moment. How dare you? I've been so insulted in all my life.
I should get out more.
Oh. That's lovely, that lovely fresh fish.
Oh, these chickens.
Oh,
Look at them.
oh, chickens. Oh, they smell lovely, don't they? 7 for a full one.
Whole chicken, 7.
Yeah.
4 for half. Look at them, they look like eyeballs. See?
I think it's a bit of fish, isn't it?
Gracias. Adiós, Valentina.
Anchovy.
Señora, de gustar. Es natural.
We'll try one.
Naturales.
Gracias.
Señora.
Gracias.
Oh, that's lovely.
Fantástica. Y luego está la número 1 de España, de Guté. Fantástica la número 1 de España. Sofía, para la ensalada de tomato, atuna. Hola, papá. Ya finito.
Finito, yeah, sí.
¿Qué es ya finito? Solo para probar.
Gracias.
Alioli, sí. Para probar papa alioli.
Oh, fantastic. Wow, that was superb. Oh, nice plates, aren't they? Homemade.
Yeah, probably hand painted.
Our favourite musicians here.
Yeah, hand painted.
Es que €1 es, vale, patata, todo esto, cilantro, 1,50.
50 céntimos más por bote. Para paella tiene aquí para paella.
Para paella, off a paella.
Paella.
Yeah.
Very good.
How much? How much? How much? ¿Cuántas?
¿Cuánto es? Para
Yeah.
paella, 2,70.
Dos.
2,70. 2,7.
2.7. Okay. Very nice.
Paprika, 2,50.
Yeah.
Pepper, €3.
3 for pepper.
5 pepper, 350.
Okay. Oh look, we found a couple of bikes. Okay, off we go down the second street down here. Looks like a lot more clothes shops down here. Oh, they look nice and warm, don't they?
I don't like them.
How much? 24 quid? Do you like them?
No, not really.
They're nice and warm.
Can't see any sizes on them.
I like that one,
Which one?
the one that you looked at. That one, that with the
That
patches on. I think it looks great, that. It's quite trendy. It's busy now down here.
€14 a kilo.
Is that good? A kilo's a lot.
Kilo's
though,
a lot, isn't it?
isn't it? Kilo. Oh, the sun's coming out. There you go. Oh, that smells nice, doesn't it? Lovely sweets, colourful sweets.
It's warm in here, isn't it?
Yeah. Now the sun's come out, you'll be forgetting about your coat soon.
You want some trousers? What? Get some of them jeans.
I don't think I get in them. Oh, with my foot on it. Oh, there's some nice coats here.
That's nice. Like that colour.
Oh, that orange one. Yeah?
Is it orange or is it mustard?
Mustard orange. Feels warm. Hola.
Hello.
This jacket, you take €20 for this?
No,
Let's try it on.
I prove it, senora.
I'm trying it on. Does it suit me? What's it look like?
All right.
Go to that side when you can see me. Does it look alright? Does it fit?
It's alright, looks nice, yeah. It's just a bit expensive, isn't it?
Ay, mira.
Medium.
Mira, ven aquí.
Okay.
It's okay, yeah. Yeah.
How much?
What? Hello. No, what? This one?
Yeah, no, it's that.
35. This model have this. Look,
Yeah,
I have.
Somebody said 30.
yeah.
No, 30 this model, look. No have this.
No, I was told 30. I don't know who.
Yeah. No, lady. 30 this one. You want this one? Take this one.
No, I don't want that one.
No, take it off then. No, that's no good.
25 cash.
Ah, خالي. أنت 5 لا حاجة.
20, 25?
No, okay.
Not,
Fair
not,
enough.
not 35. I was told 30.
Yeah, we were told 30.
Okay, yeah, this yes.
He said
Yeah,
30.
this morning. Take this one.
30.
We said 25.
Well, yeah.
Give me 27. Okay, give me.
27. That'll do.
Okay, 27.
27.
Okay, it's good for you.
That is okay. Yeah, 27.
هذاك
الشيء اللي نحكي له.
كل شيء فوق.
There's a new jacket. Oh, jacket, the new, these.
Which one?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, oh,
Oh, God.
yeah, good.
أعطيت صورة لهذاك سديتها مع الدول.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You're a gentleman.
Thank you.
So, are you excited about your purchase?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice bright coat.
I'm looking forward to the cold weather now.
Oh, yeah. How much are these?
10.
€10.
This one.
Maybe XXL. I'm not XXL, am I?
No comment.
I can't be XXL, surely.
XL?
This looks is small XL. They're too tight then.
Mira, coca. Abre, uma coca
Okay.
aqui.
This
Mistura aqui.
Yeah.
Ah, não.
no?
Aqui. Ai.
Oh, I see.
É assim, mira. Costura aqui. Esse é
Okay.
perfeito. This perfecto.
Perfecto for fat man.
This man, this, one this.
For €10 I'll buy them.
Well, look at the waist.
The waist is probably just about there.
Prueba, no problem.
You pick some for me, as long as you can take them up.
Esquerda.
Oh, she's got some.
Okay.
Más gordo.
Oh, these are more like.
Different material.
¿No?
Oh no, I don't like that material.
No, mucho calor, ¿no? Good size.
You'll have to make them shorter.
I can make them shorter.
Well, let's do them then.
So these are all the same size. Are these all the same
Yes,
size?
lady. Yes, mira.
This is
2XL.
2XL.
These are all 2XL.
2XL.
Yes, lady. 2XL, 2XL. Yes.
And they're all
So-
exactly the same except for the colour.
Okay.
Yes, good
So-
size for man.
For big men. So
Fine.
they're all the same size. So what colour? So grey, green or beige.
Yeah. This one.
Okay, beige.
Yeah.
Beige is very good color.
Good for handsome man.
Beige, I'll give it back.
Well, okay.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Gracias.
Gracias. Okay. Adios. We just had the meal of the day for $9.90, and it was a lovely meal. And we had the alioli to start with, the bread. I had a tuna salad to start. Then I had a tuna steak and chips because I went to tuna today. And then I had a flan, and I got a free beer as well for $9.90. Very well chuffed.
Do you know what I had?
What did you have?
I had some breaded crabs and claws. That's hard to say. I didn't try saying it.
Say it again.
Breaded crabs claws.
Yeah, it's a really tongue twister, isn't it?
And then I had lamb chops and chips.
Lamb chops and chips.
And I've just had some ice cream, some vanilla ice cream. And my beer.
Is that all you've had?
All for $9.90.
It's a lot, isn't it? $9.90.
Yeah.
We've got all our things we wanted to get. So now it's wind down time.
Wine.
Wind
Wine.
down time.
chill out time.
Chill out time.
And if it gets cold a bit later on, I can put my new coat on.
We're going to move on now. I think we're going to go to. We're going to see the lake at La Mata on the way home. So we'll cross the road over the other side of the 332, and we'll have a look at La Mata, and we'll show you some pictures there. And then we'll toddle off home.
We'll see you later.
See you later. We haven't finished yet. Huh? Keep watching.
Keep tuned.
Here we are at La Mata. We've just come up from the town. It's only a few hundred yards on the bike track from the roundabout. We got some help, didn't we, from
Carol and Robert. Yeah, thanks for stopping us to say hi and helping us with our directions, because we got temporarily lost.
Under the roundabout. Yeah, didn't know which one to take. Anyway, we found it thanks to Carol and Robert. So
yeah,
here we are between the lakes. We're actually between the lakes at the moment. We've got the blue lake just there, and we've got the pink lake, which is over there. And that's where we're going. We're going to go through on the track. It's a bit of a long way, but it's a lot shorter than going on the main road. So we're going to go through there. It's a bit bumpy, isn't it, on the bikes?
Yeah, we might be pushing.
We might be pushing them. We could be pushing them, but it won't be through drink. It'll be through lumps on the road.
Yeah.
So on that note, I think it's time to wrap the video.
I think so.
So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. It's a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1.
Bing! Adios.
Adios.